izwa like back but izolo namhlanje nakusasa mini goat ngiyafunga ngiyagomela I'm making an oath. I started from the bottom, now I'm on top of the slope. Mane kwazenzakalela, I didn't choose to be dope. Rap iphuma ngaphakathi and I swear I fail. I've known rappers and producers lalela ngiyakutshela, I wanted food on the table.
Whoa, I'm Franken. I'll never be gone, I'll always be there for you. In today's video, I'm not alone, I have a guest right on my side. Let him introduce himself and let us know what he got for us, guys. Yo, my man, you're welcome to Franken Hummings.
Okay, guys, lapho I go by the name RYC. RYC Bandile to be specific, like on Google, search RYC, yeah, it's RYC.
RYC.
Bandile. Yeah.
Alright, as you can see, RYC, you can see there, that's his brand, RYC. I'll make sure you get his platforms. So, RYC, we want to know the reason why you are here. Actually, the reason why you are here is, what do you do? Or maybe what's your passion? What do you love doing on a regular basis?
I do music, my passion is music. I do nothing else other than music unless obvious, like in Funimali. I got something on the side just to generate money, because at the end of the day, like umculo Funimali mfethu singakhohlisana sithini, but ama studio sessions ayacosta, ama producer ayacosta, abo cameraman bayacosta,
injalo.
Awe.
Yeah, that's true. So what kind of music do you really make on the internet? As you said, you make music.
I make real music, like to be specific, ngenza like mostly storytelling, but ngithola ngelanguage esijayele sikhulumayo, like ngithola ukuthi wonke umuntu arelate, because like us, because at the end of the day mina mfethu music I'm doing it for my hood, ngithola like the stories, ngithola ukuthi intwana encane lapha nanomilaleli, ngithola ingakhuli na igo through lama challenges thina esgo through wona, ngithola ibe nalento ukuthi fine, okay ukama experiences wakho so mina kungcono ngingaphili so ngenze so ukuze impilo yami ibe so, you understand? That's what I do, man. I do kasi rap to be specific, ngithola but I switch it up, it's like more commercial, ngithola.
So tell me, as you are growing up in this type of environment, right now we are filming this video at Emalahleni Extension 12. We are living in this environment. What are the challenges usually do you face as an artist or umuntu ofuna ukushaya music? So what are the challenges do you face through the hood? Abantu abajaji Spani nayo yonke le.
Like at the end of the day, dog, you have to keep your shoulders up, ngithola. Noma kunzima mfethu, noma izinto like it's better, because sometimes mfethu njengoba bengisasho ukuthi music ufuna imali mfethu, ngithola. You have to work for money, dog, ngithola. Ubuye endlini ukhathele like maybe uma 8 ebusuku, ngalo 8 lo koselwenza studio session, dog, ngithola, until maybe ngabo 1 ebusuku, then uyolala like 2 3 4 ngabo 4 uyavuka futhi kosela ugeze uzama ukuyohlanganisa ucash, ngithola. Ama challenges esofisa yilawo, dog, ukuthi sometimes we want to do this music thing, but this music thing needs money, and this money thing needs time, you understand? And this time thing needs life, dog, ngithola.
Exactly.
Maye uzama ukubalansisa like i-health yakho, ispan sakho, music wakho, like nje nesikhathi sakho yonke into kusho ukuthi maye align, you understand? When at the end of the day you have to be a man, ngithola, like, and find a system ukuthi uhlanganise lezi zinto without ukuthi njengoba like ngathini, without ukuthi izihlashe, like because even now like I'm missing like on a lot of gigs, ngithola. But at the end of the day I have to understand ukuthi if I miss these gigs to make money, you understand? At the end of the things okhona ukuthi ngenze more music, you understand? It goes like that.
Except Brian, so I've heard about the challenges of Sekasi. All I can say is me too, you see, I also trying to be a YouTuber and Sekasi and so I understand the thing. So all I can say, Brian, let us keep pushing as I'm a content creator, as I'm an artist, anybody who ends the art. So is there anything that we can expect from you, or any projects that are coming out from you yourself as Rice?
There's something to expect. There's a single like keep on a track like after I did the project. It's called Gonagele. The bonus track. It's just a vibe song and told. Another lines from one like Ting Shady Ives la khona kancane and told. Izo like back. But izolo namhlanje nakusasa imini goat ngiyafunga ngiyagomela I'm making an oath. I started from the bottom, now I'm on top of the slope. Mane kwazenzakalela, I didn't choose to be dopey, rap iphuma ngaphakathi and I swear I fail. I've known rappers and producers, lalela ngiyakutshela, I wanted food umuntu abangidlela. You understand that? That's just some few young told. Like le track man is just a vibey song like that angithola. So lento engiyenzile, it was just for fun nje, for ikasi ukuthi abantu like, cause most of the time I'm doing like sad songs uyangithola net ukuthi like abantu ba relate like at the end of the day singahlali sibakhalisa phela. Sometimes ishaya intonyana ukuthi nabo man babe happy. Yeah.
You know, like dog, you are one of the most artists that are free to speak, dog, and that's what really connects you in the audience. My main goal is to create a platform where people can share their dreams, where people can share their work, just like this, you know. You get what I'm saying? So I appreciate the love that you have given us, and I love the fact that it's the Christmas. Everybody who's watching this video, Merry Christmas. Even if it's late, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and be notified whenever we drop the video. What else would you like to tell the people who are watching you today as the conclusion of the video? And what advice can you give somebody who's trying to be an artist today?
Be happy, be healthy, and be safe. We understand. So to a guy that wants to be an artist, like ngisho ukuthi mina like iminyango omningi ngiyangithola, but iminyango bazokuvalela dog ngiyangithola. At the end of the day, keep doing you. If uyazazi ukuthi ufunani, like ungayi ngokuthi ubani uthini, angeke umuntu akutshela ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe ifunani, owazi ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe ifunani. If you really want this shit, go and get it. Danko.
If you want this thing, go and get it. There's nothing that I can tell you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and be notified whenever Franken drops a video.
I'm making an oath. I started from the bottom, now I'm on top of the slope. Mane kwazenzakalela, I didn't choose to be dopey, rap iphuma ngaphakathi and I swear I fail. I've no rappers and producers, lalela ngiyakutshela, I wanted food on the table, bona umona bangidlela kanti badibene nengwe ngisibonge sicala ngo-N ingcondo beyiphetha ama-hit kodwa bangiphothwa kwe-fan ngibonga ithuba ngibonga i-mic ngikhona ukuspitha ama-facts ngishaya ingoma ibedopu senginokuchaza ama-fan ndiye beat ngiyaxolisa bengafuni ukungibulala indaba udibene nehlanga ihlanga elingathanda amahlanga ihlanga ukudlula wonke uhlanga shape shift makathanda umdala umphatha njengecanda istyle uzenzela umathanda bodies drop njengesaka on the beat ngu-Osama